Bread is one of humanity's oldest and most essential foods. It's a staple that has nourished civilizations for thousands of years, connecting people across continents and cultures. From the humblest beginnings to the most elaborate recipes, bread has always been more than just food. It's a symbol of life, community, and tradition. Over 14,000 years ago, our ancestors made flatbreads by crushing wild grains, mixing with water, and cooking on hot rocks. These early breads were simple, rustic, and dense, but they represented a major leap in human ingenuity. For the first time, people could transform wild grasses into something nourishing and portable, fueling their journeys and daily lives. It wasn't soft or fluffy, but it was a breakthrough. These flatbreads were tough and chewy, yet they provided vital energy and nutrition. They were the foundation for countless meals, and their creation marked the beginning of a long journey of culinary discovery. Ancient Egyptians took bread to the next level, discovering yeast and inventing clay ovens for better baking. Their innovations transformed bread from a simple flat cake into a lighter, more flavorful staple. The Egyptians even used bread as currency and offerings to the gods, showing just how central it was to their society. Fermentation, yeast feeding on sugars, made bread rise, creating lighter, airier loaves. This process was almost magical, turning dense dough into something soft and fragrant. The discovery of fermentation was a turning point, opening up endless possibilities for new textures and flavors. For centuries, bakers everywhere mixed flour, water, salt, and a bit of old dough by hand, kneading and baking in wood-fired ovens. Each region developed its own techniques and recipes, passing them down through generations. The art of bread making became a cherished tradition, with families and communities gathering to bake together. Each loaf was unique, shaped by the baker's skill and environment. The climate, the flour, even the water could change the taste and texture. No two loaves were ever exactly alike, and that was part of the magic. Bread was a living, breathing creation. The Industrial Revolution changed everything. Machines could knead dough and ovens could be precisely controlled. Suddenly, bread could be made faster and in much larger quantities. This era saw the birth of the first bread factories, where technology met tradition. Bread making moved from small bakeries to large factories, focusing on consistency and affordability. Mass production meant that bread was no longer a luxury for the few, but a daily staple for the many. It became possible to feed entire cities with fresh loaves every day. Mechanical mixers and gas ovens made mass production possible. Automated slicing and packaging meant bread could be delivered quickly and safely to homes and stores, revolutionizing how people ate and lived. The goal shifted from artisanal loaves to feeding growing cities. Bread became a symbol of progress, a way to ensure that everyone had access to affordable, reliable food. It was no longer just about taste or tradition, but about meeting the needs of a rapidly changing world. This was the birth of the modern bread factory. Today, these facilities produce millions of loaves every day, using advanced technology to maintain quality and efficiency. Yet, even as bread making has become industrialized, the heart of bread, the connection it creates, remains unchanged. Bread became not just a food, but a symbol of progress and innovation. It reflects our journey as a species, from ancient hearths to modern factories, from hand-shaped loaves to perfectly sliced packages. Bread is a testament to our creativity and resilience, and that's how bread evolved from ancient flatbreads to the loaves we know today. Every slice tells a story of discovery, adaptation, and the enduring human spirit, a story that continues to rise, just like the bread itself. What's in a modern loaf? The bread we eat today is the result of centuries of innovation, blending age-old techniques with cutting-edge technology. But what exactly goes into making that perfectly soft golden slice you find in every supermarket? It all starts with 4 essentials: flour, water, yeast, and salt. These are the building blocks of bread, the same ingredients used by bakers for generations, whether in a rustic village bakery or a high-tech factory. Flour gives the loaf its structure, forming the gluten network that traps air and creates that familiar crumb. Water hydrates the flour, activating proteins and allowing the dough to come together. Yeast, a living microorganism, feeds on sugars and produces carbon dioxide, making the dough rise and giving bread its airy texture. Salt not only enhances flavor, but also regulates yeast activity and strengthens the gluten, ensuring a balanced rise. In large-scale bakeries, dough conditioners like ascorbic acid, better known as vitamin C, are added. These help strengthen the gluten even further, making the dough more elastic and improving the loaf's volume and texture. This is especially important when bread needs to be produced quickly and consistently. Vegetable oil is another key ingredient. It acts as a tenderizer, keeping the bread soft and moist for days after baking. This helps prevent staling, so your sandwich bread stays fresh from the factory to your kitchen. Enzymes are added to speed up fermentation and improve the dough's handling. They break down starches into simple sugars, giving yeast more food to work with and enhancing both the flavor and the color of the finished loaf. To keep bread safe and fresh during transport and storage, calcium propionate is used as a preservative. This ingredient helps prevent mold growth, extending the shelf life, so bread can travel from the factory to stores and still taste great. Many countries require that white flour be fortified with essential nutrients like iron, calcium, and B vitamins. This fortification helps replace vitamins and minerals lost during the milling process, making bread a more nutritious staple. These enrichments are carefully measured and blended into the flour, ensuring every slice delivers important nutrients that support health and well-being. Every ingredient is selected with precision, balancing taste, texture, nutrition, and shelf life. Quality control teams test and monitor each batch, making sure the bread meets strict standards before it ever leaves the factory. The result is a loaf that's soft, nutritious, and consistent, ready to be enjoyed by families everywhere, day after day. Modern bread is a fascinating blend of tradition and food science, combining the wisdom of the past with the innovations of today. That's the recipe behind every factory-made slice, a carefully crafted balance of ingredients and expertise, designed to deliver the perfect loaf every time. Before bread can rise in the oven, before it can be sliced and enjoyed at the table, there's one essential ingredient: flour. But flour itself has a story, one that begins long before it reaches your kitchen. And before flour, there's wheat. Fields of golden stalks ripening under the sun, swaying gently in the breeze, waiting for harvest. Modern flour mills are true engineering marvels. They're designed with precision to separate the wheat kernel's three distinct parts: the fibrous bran, the nutrient-rich germ, and the starchy endosperm. Each part has a unique role in the final product. When wheat arrives at the mill, it undergoes a rigorous cleaning process. Powerful machines remove stones, stray metal, dust, and other debris, ensuring only the best grains move forward. Only the purest, highest quality kernels are selected for milling. This careful selection is crucial for producing flour that meets strict standards. Next, roller mills take over. These powerful machines crack open the wheat, skillfully separating the tough bran and the tiny germ from the soft, starchy endosperm at the heart of each grain. Sifters then shake and sort the crushed wheat, separating the different components. The endosperm, destined to become flour, is sent for further grinding and refinement. This cycle of grinding and sifting repeats several times, gradually producing both fine white flour and hearty, wholemeal flour, each with its own unique texture and flavor. Every step of the process is carefully automated, using advanced technology to ensure precision, consistency, and safety for every batch. The result is high-quality flour, expertly milled and ready to be packaged, shipped and transformed into bread and countless other foods. Through milling, humble wheat is transformed into the foundation of every loaf, every pastry, and every cake, a true marvel of modern food production. This is the very first step in bread's incredible industrial journey, where science, tradition, and technology come together to create something essential for tables around the world. The mixing room is the heart of the bread factory. Here, massive mixers combine flour, water, yeast, salt, and improvers with computer-controlled precision. Dosing systems measure exact amounts for consistency. The spiral mixer's powerful hook blends everything, first slowly, then at high speed. This develops gluten, the protein network that gives bread structure. Too little mixing, and bread is dense; too much, and it's sticky. Computers monitor dough temperature and energy to ensure perfection. When the dough is smooth and elastic, mixing stops automatically. What emerges is a perfectly developed, massive ball of dough. This is where simple ingredients become the living heart of bread. Next stop, fermentation. After mixing, the dough rests for bulk fermentation. In factories, Dough sits in huge troughs in climate-controlled rooms. Yeast consumes sugars, producing carbon dioxide and alcohol. Gas bubbles make the dough rise. Alcohol and acids add flavor. The gluten network relaxes, making the dough stretchy for shaping. Acidity strengthens gluten and preserves the loaf. Modern processes like the Chorleywood bread process speed up fermentation, making bread production faster. Even so, controlled fermentation is key for texture and taste. This stage transforms dough from bland to flavorful. It's a delicate balance of science and tradition. Once ready, the dough moves on to shaping. Now, the dough is divided into individual loaves. Dough dividers cut precise portions for even baking. Each piece is rounded in a conical rounder, forming a smooth ball. After a brief rest, the dough is shaped by molders into cylinders for tin loaves. Shaped dough drops into greased tins on a conveyor. The process is fast and automated, ensuring uniformity. Hundreds of loaves are shaped every minute. Precision here means every loaf bakes evenly. The loaves are ready for their final rise. The shaped loaves now enter the proofer for their final rise. In this warm, humid chamber, yeast ferments vigorously, inflating the dough. The dough doubles in size, developing its airy texture. High humidity keeps the surface moist, preventing a crust from forming too soon. The conveyor moves loaves through the proofer for about an hour. Some loaves are misted with water or scored for a perfect crust. Every detail is engineered for consistency. When proofing is done, the loaves are ready for baking. Next stop: the oven. The proofed loaves enter the tunnel oven, a giant moving furnace. As heat hits, the dough rapidly expands in an oven spring. Yeast gives one last burst, then dies as the loaf sets. Starch gelatinizes, gluten firms up, and the crumb forms. On the surface, the Maillard reaction and caramelization create a golden, flavorful crust. Scored tops open up, giving each loaf its signature look. After 20-30 minutes, loaves emerge perfectly baked. Thousands of loaves are baked every hour, all with precision. The journey from dough to bread is nearly complete. Hot loaves are too fragile to handle, so first they're de-panned by machines. Loaves cool on multi-tiered conveyors, letting steam escape and crumb set. Cooling prevents sogginess and mold in the bag. Once cool, loaves are sliced by high-speed blades into perfect even pieces. Sliced loaves are bagged, automatically, sealed, and dated. Robotic arms pack them into crates, ready for delivery. From wheat to wrapped loaf, every step is engineered for freshness and safety. Modern bread factories feed millions every day. That's the science and magic behind every slice.